Okay, good morning. Welcome to my math class. I am Sir Greg. So we have a new lesson for this week, but before that, let's have first our objectives. Our objectives for the lesson for the week. Number one, read and write integers. Number two, compare and order integers. Number three, find the absolute value of numbers and expressions. Number four, apply the mathematical concept involving the four fundamental operations in integers. Number five, show mastery in performing the addition, subtraction. Okay, dito muna tayo sa addition and subtraction. Okay? So next na yung multiplication and division. Now, what is integers and absolute value? Let's have first the integers. So integers are all the positive and negative whole numbers. So there are no fractions or decimals that are integers. So walang fraction, walang decimal, whole numbers lang. Okay? Example, 0, 1, 2, 3 to the right, and 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and so on to the left. So the examples of integers. So this is a number line. Okay? From 0 to left side or the negative direction. From 0 to right side, it is positive direction. So habang papunta sa kaliwa, sa negative, habang tumataas ang number, pababa yung value. Samantala, from 0 to right, habang napataas yung number sa kanan, mas tumataas din yung value. They are directly proportional. Okay? Madali. So, graphing integers on a number line. So, paano ba mag-graph ng integers sa number line? Una, gagawa to muna na tayo ng number line. Ayan, may arrowhead. Ibig sabihin, kaliwat kanan may arrowhead, continue siya, wala siyang end. Okay? Graph an integer by drawing a dot at the point that represents the integer. Okay, you'll have to draw a dot. Example, negative 6, negative 2, and 3. Ayan, may number line tayo. Ilalagay natin negative 6, negative 2, and 3. So, yun po yung sinasabi nating plotting or graphing integers in a number line. Madali. Okay, let's have more example. Graph negative 7, 0, and 5. So, you have a number line. Ayan. Okay, graph negative 4, negative 1, and 1. So, we have also the number line. So, just locate where's the number and then, yes, put a dot. Ayan, negative 7, 0, 5. For number 2, negative 4, negative 1, and 1. Okay, so that's it. So, di ba, madali lang? So, madali. Let's have now order integers from least to greatest. Ano ba mag-order ng integers from least to greatest? Ibig sabihin, you'll have to arrange the number from smaller number to the higher number or the smallest number to the highest number. Okay? Example, negative 4, 0, 5, negative 2, 3, negative 3. So without merely looking at the number line or having the number line, sino ba yung mauna sa kanila? Okay, tama. So we have negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, 0, 3, 5. Pero kung may number line tayo, mas mabilis natin ma-identify kasi nga nakalagay na siya in order. So yung pinakakaliwa, yun yung pinakamababa. Okay? Yung pinakakanan, yun yung pinakamataas. Yan, negative 4, negative, negative 3, negative 2, 0, 3, 5. Diba? Pero kung isusulat lang natin without number, na yan po. Okay? Negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, 0, 3, 5. So that's it. Order from least to greatest. Naintindihan? Madali. Okay, let's have more example. Why order integers from least to greatest? Of course, pag pina-order natin from highest to lowest, of course, babaliktad lang natin. Okay? Yan po. Dito sa number 1, negative 4 muna. 4, negative, ay, di ba 4, negative 2 pa, negative 5, 0, 2, negative 1. So, yung mauna dito ilagay yung negative 5, negative 2, negative 3, and then, negative 5, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 2, 4. Okay? For number 1. For number 2, ang maunang ilagay, kay let's do this now po, -7, -5, -2, 1, 3, 4. Okay, sa number 2. Tama? Okay, yun po. Kung, di ba madali lang? Di ba? Madali. How about for absolute value? So, absolute value is the distance or the numbers, ulitin natin, absolute value, numbers the distance to 0. So, yun po yung layo niya sa 0. Gano'n ba kalayo yung number from 0? Parang ikaw, gano'n ka ba kalayo sa kanya? Ooh, okay. Let's have this one. So, wala daw siyang sagot na negative result. Ibig sabihin, positive lahat. Example, this number line. Ayan, 0. Ayan, 5. Ayan, di ba? Tingnan natin. The absolute value of 5 is 5. The absolute value of negative 5 is 5 also. The absolute value of 0 is 0. Tandaan yung mga parallel lines or yung mga nakatayong vertical lines, ang basa natin dyan is the absolute value. So the absolute value of 5 is 5. The absolute value of negative 5 is 5 also. Diba? The absolute value of 0 is equals to 0. So ito yung example natin. Ito yung 5 sa right side, sa positive. Kano ba siya kalayo sa 0? So just have to count. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 units po. Ganon din sa left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's it. So gano'n lang ka siya kabilis to identify. Okay? 5 units na po. Of course, yung 0, 0 pa rin. The absolute value of 0 is 0. Mapapansin natin lahat positive yung sagot for the absolute value. Okay? Let's have example. How about for absolute value of 7? The answer is 7. Very good. How about for the absolute value of 10? The answer is negative 10. Ay, 10 pala. Sorry. Wala ka palang sabi natin, walang sagot na negative, lahat positive. So, di ba? Ang galing nyo. Let's have negative 100. 100. Very good. Let's have 5 minus 8. So by this time, perform first the operation inside and then get the absolute value. So again, negative 3, di ba? 5 minus 8. 8 is the bigger number. So the absolute value of negative 3 is 3. Di ba? Madali. Let's have this more example. Absolute value of the following. So gaano ba sila kalayo sa 0? Number 1, negative 4. Yes, 4. Very good. Number 2, absolute value of 3. Yes, 3. Very good. Number 3, negative 9. Absolute value of negative 9. Yes, very good. We have 9. How about for number 4? 8 minus 3. Absolute value of 8 minus 3. So 5. So that's it. Di ba? Ang dali lang. Madali. Okay? Let's have this one. The absolute value of 7 minus the absolute value of negative 2. So ngayon, kunin muna natin yung absolute value. Then, saka natin isa-subtract. So, di ba lahat positive yung absolute value? So, subtract na natin. So, maging 7 minus 2. Tama? So, ang maging sagot ay 5. Yes, choice number 3. Very good. Madali. Now, absolute value of negative 4 minus negative 3 is equals to, of course, mag-change yung sense sa loob. Maging negative 4 plus 3. Then, minus natin, negative 1. The absolute value of negative 1 is equals to 1. Yes, choice number 2. Okay? Let's have the opposites. When we say opposites, what does it mean? Yung pinasabing kabaliktaran or the other way around, di ba? Tulad ng kabaliktaran ng maganda, pangit daw. Ang kabaliktaran ng mataba, sexy or payat. Ang kabaliktaran ng withdraw ay deposit. Ang kabaliktaran ng positive, negative. Di ba? Ang pagkabaliktaran ng go up, go down. Di ba? Yun. So, two numbers that have the same absolute value but different signs are called opposites. Ayan, yung dalawang number daw, magkatulad na absolute value but different in sign ay called opposite or called opposites. Diba? Yan nga. Bawa, 5 kanina, negative 5. So, opposite sila pero ang absolute value nila isa lang, 5 pa rin. Okay, example. Negative 6 and 6 are opposites because both are 6 units away from 0, di ba? 6 units sila. So the absolute value of negative 6 is equals to 6. The absolute value of 6 is equals to 6. Diba? They are the same in the value for the absolute value. And the different in numbers. Bakit different? Because of their signs, diba? Sign. Sa sign nila. Okay, ito po yung ating number line. Ayan po. Gano'n ba kalayo yung 6 sa negative 6 sa 0? Ayan. So, gano'ng kalayo? So, 6 units lang po. Bibilang tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ganon din si negative. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Diba? Sorry. Sorry for that. Okay. Lamig dito. Okay, yun po. 6 units siya kalayo sa 0. Now let's have more. What is the opposite of from item 1 to 6? So number 1, negative 10, we have 10. Very good. Number 2, negative 35, 35. Very good. Number 3, negative 12. Very good. Number 4, negative 100. Number 5, negative 1. Number 6, anong kabaligtaran ng x or opposite ng x? Eh di yung ngayon, yung ano kang meron ngayon, 'di ba? Kaya nga X eh, kasi meron ka na ngayon. Okay? Hindi. Okay, ang kabaligtaran ng X ay negative X. Okay? Naiintindihan ba lahat? Very good. Okay, thumbs up. Okay, and then heart reaction. Okay. Okay, madali. Okay, let's have this real life example. So on the left side, ito, so choose the graph position of a diver relative to sea level. Use absolute value to find the diver's distance from the surface. Ito yung diver. Gaano ba siya kalayo? So, negative 18. So, the absolute value of that is positive 18, di ba? And then on the right side, the graph shows the depth of a whale in feet. Use an absolute value to find the distance the whale must travel to reach the surface. The whale. Ayan yung whale natin. Nasa in between of negative 200 and 300. So, magiging negative 250. So, negative 250, absolute value is 250. Okay? So, that's it. The whale shark or butanding. Okay, so that's it. Now let's have more examples. By this time, we'll have to add now integers. So negative 4 plus 8. So what is our answer? Magkaiba yung sign. Yan natin yung tama. But later on, we'll have to discuss kung paano yan nakuha. The rule of signs. So we have 4. Very good. How about this one? Magkatulad yung sign. Negative 1 plus negative 4, 3. Yes, negative 4. How about the number 3? 5 plus negative 7. Yes, negative 2. Very good. So how does the answers found that way? Okay, paano ba nakuha yung sagot ganyan? Okay, malalaman natin by this addition rule. Ang addition na natin, when the signs are the same, first rule, when the signs are the same, add and keep the sign. Negative 2 plus negative 4, so add the number, negative 6 pa rin. So negative 6, di ba? Bilis. When the signs are different, you'll have to subtract just the sign of the larger number. Tandaan. So, negative 2 plus 4, magkaiba ng sign. So, magmaminus tayo. So, bigger number ay 4 positive. Kaya ang sagot ay 2 positive po. Di ba? Positive 2 or 2. Okay? So, that's it. So, naiintindihan ba? Very good. Di ba? Mas dali. Now, let's have the karaoke time. So you'll have to sing the tune of row, row, row your boat. Deep in na 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 na. Okay, let's have this one, this lyrics, integers. So adding integers, ayan po yung link kung may YouTube kayo. Or, ito po, same signs, add and keep different signs of track. Use the sign of the bigger number, then you'll be exact. Kung sinabing then you'll be exact, ibig sabihin, it will be exact kasi nakuha na yung sagot. Okay? Bitin natin. Same signs, add and keep. Different signs, subtract. Use the sign of the bigger number, then you'll be exact. Bitin natin. Same sign, add and keep. Different signs, subtract. Use the sign of the bigger number, then you'll be exact. Okay, let's have this video. Panoorin natin to. Kumakanta si...
Same sign, add and keep, different sign, subtract. Use the sign of the bigger number, then you will exact.
Okay, so ganun po yun. Diba? Example, let's have no example. So, -1 plus 3. So, different sign. Sabi natin, different sign, subtract. Use the sign of the bigger number, then you'll be exact or it will be exact. Next sagot dyan. Yes, we have 2. Very good. How about this one? -6 plus -3. Like sign or same sign, add and keep. Okay, same sign, add and keep. Okay, so we have -9. Very good. Now, sabi dito, di ba, dali lang? So, dali. The additive inverse or opposites of two numbers add to equal to 0. Okay, pag ilan daw is equals to 0. Pag sinabing additive inverse, kukunin natin yung magkaibang center isang number lang. Example, the additive inverse of 3 is -3. Pag pinag-add natin is equals to 0. Tama? Hindi. So, when we will use the additive inverses for subtraction problem. Ayan. Gamitin daw natin yung additive inverse sa subtraction problems. So, what's the difference between 7 minus 3 and 7 plus -3? Ano yung pagkakaiba ng dalawa? Ang una, 7 minus 3 equals 4 and 7 plus -3 equals 4. So, magkatulad sila ng sagot. Ang pagkakaiba lang nila, yung 7 minus 3, the only difference is that 7 minus 3 is a subtraction problem and 7 plus -3 is an addition problem. Di ba? Yan, may sinasabi dito. Subtracting is the same as adding the opposite. Sa pag-subtract daw po, ay parang nag-a-add lang tayo ng opposites. Okay, so we'll now go to subtraction. Ayan, we'll have to remember the rule by this time is keep, change. Yan yung technique natin or KCC para sa subtraction. Okay, let's have this one. Adding opposites, so keep, change, and then you'll have to follow the addition rule. So gagamitin lang natin yung keep, change sa sign. Tapos mag-a-apply tayo ng addition rule again. Kaya dapat familiar kayo sa addition rule kanina na song, di ba? So keep, change first. Example, -4 minus -7. So magiging -4 plus +7. Bakit? Keep natin yung sign ng 4 negative, minus sign naging plus, so change. Ang -7 na change din po, so we have positive na siya. Kaya nga, KCC. We have keep, change. Diba? Keep natin yung negative sign sa unahan. Yung minus sign, baguhin, maging plus sign. Yung -7, baguhin, maging plus sign. Basta kukunin natin yung, dito sa change, kukunin natin yung kabaligtaran na sign. Okay? So, ang maging sagot ay 3. Diba? Subtract and use the larger sign. So, 3 yung sagot. Next one, -3 minus 7. So, maging -3 plus -7. Tama? Kasi change. So, maging sagot, add and keep the sign. So, magiging -10. Very good. Diba? Ang dali lang. So, ganun lang kabilis at kadali. So, naintindihan? Very good. So, madali. Okay. Now, let's have one example. Yan. Ano maging sagot? 11b minus 2b. So, keep natin 11b minus maging plus. Change din po yung -2 maging +2. So, maging sagot natin. Add and keep the sign. So, like sign. So, 13b. Tama? So, that's it. I hope you learned a lot for this lesson. Okay, let's have this one, which is equivalent to -12 minus -3. So, kay sisi muna, nasaan yung katumbas nun? Or equivalent, let's have choice number 2, tama. Kasi -12 yung pa rin, minus ay maging plus, so -3 maging positive. Diba? Ang galing. So, mas dali. Very good. How about this one? 7 minus -2. We have 7 plus 2, tama. So, magiging 9. So, that's it. Ang galing. So, that's it, class. So, thank you for watching. So, God bless you all. Keep safe and enjoy your day. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell